Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. This is an awesome update to Ask AI. This is skills and connectors. That's right. So Ask AI now brings your own tools and lets you own the instructions into every chat. Connectors let Ask AI act inside the apps you already use. So Notion, Canva, HubSpot, or any MCP app in the marketplace connected under your login, not the sub accounts, with a per app and per tool control over exactly what the AI may touch and the skills that you want it to have. So the idea is basically skills let you teach AI how you want to work and how you want the work done. You write a skill in the Customize tab, or you can upload an existing MD playbook and let Ask AI name and describe it for you. Skills are matched to your request automatically and invoked on demand with the keystroke. Both work in text and voice chats, which is amazing. And then connectors. So Ask AI kind of works inside your existing apps here. So you basically can connect any marketplace MCP app from Ask AI per app, per tool control, two-way sync with the marketplace. Browser control is now a saved preference. Skills, obviously, you can either go in and you can actually upload your own MD file, or you can write your own skill, which is amazing. You can invoke it with the keystroke, enable, disable, or remove any skill without deleting your work. And Ask AI maintains its own skills as well. Very safe, very reliable. Here's a great example of using it with Notion MCP. Then once you've connected all of it together, you can go in and use it inside Ask AI with both the connector and the skills, which is awesome. No credentials in Ask AI. Copilot stores a reference to your connected accounts, so it's all secure. Your library is yours. A broken connector can't break your chat because it's isolated. So if one fails, that's cool. Self-healing connector. So if a connected account is rotated or reconnected, Ask AI will automatically update it so it doesn't lose that connection. So there's a lot of robustness driven into this. There is a full demo walkthrough here, which I will try to link as well in the comments below. And then obviously, let me see if there's anything else to go over. No, that is it. But this is an awesome upgrade. For those of you who've been waiting for this, I'm excited that it's here. You got to jump in. You got to check it out. On that note, I hope you have an amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.